Hello children. Okay, let us continue the lesson, that ninth lesson, transport. Okay, in our previous class we discussed about that roadways and also the railways. In that roadways we discussed about many different types of roadways. In railways also, developing process of the railways we had discussed in our previous classes. Now we are going to discuss about that waterways and also the airways. That two topic is pending here in the mode of transportation. So first third one is waterways, how that is developed like this. Waterways in our country and also in the world, means previously people are using only that small boats, means sailboats. Okay, that is calling as a sailboats, means with the help of that wind that boats are moving on the sea. Okay, that boats are called as the sailboat. Okay, next, when that steam engine was invented, they applied that steam engine in this boats. Okay, by the help of steam engine, next boats are moving on the sea. Okay, so that is one of the developing process in the waterways, means sailboats by the help of winds to again it is changed into by using the steam engines. Okay, again by the steam engine it was changed, means again it is developing, means nowadays they are using that fuels as a diesel to move the boats or a ship. Okay, this is one of the developing process in the waterways. So comparing to other two ways what we discussed no, in that roadways and also the railways, it can carry large number of goods at a time. Okay, but it is taking much time. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ವೇಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇ ಥ್ರೂದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಎ large amount of goods from one place to another place. Okay, so this is one of the use of the waterways and also it is one of the cheaper way of transport. Okay, comparing to the roadways, this is one of the cheaper modes of transport. And also nowadays they are reserved, means they are fixed for a particular goods to transport from one place to another place by the waterways. Means for example petroleum products. Okay, means we are importing from many other different countries. Petroleum products means one ship is carrying petroleum product, means that ship is reserved for only the product of petroleum. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಿಪ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲಿಯಂ, ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೇನ್ಸ್ or any spare parts like this. Okay, means that particular ships are fixed for a particular goods. That is nowadays. Previously every different types of goods they are carrying by the waterways. And also this waterways, as I told earlier, this is taking much time to reach to one place to another place. Okay, so to make that waterway as easier and also the faster, they built many different canals. Okay, canal means nothing, that is one of the artificial waterways. Canal means artificial waterways. See here, this is completely covered by the sea region or a sea or a ocean. Okay, this is one country, here is another one country, and middle part also sometimes covered by the water like this. So from this country to this country we are going to reach. Okay, this is for example. So this is one of the natural way ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿ ರೂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿ ರೂಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is taking more time and also the expensive, means it is consuming more much amount of the fuel also and also the time. Okay, so middle of this place they are making an artificial canals. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ವೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೈ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎ water canals, means artificial way of water. Okay, that is the canal, means it helps to make that waterway as easier. So they have given many many other different canals are there, but in your textbook they have given about that one is Suez Canal, another one is Panama Canal. Okay, means in page number 63 they have given that map of that canal, means from where to where it is connecting, like that. Okay, so see here, this is the map. Okay, this is the map of that Panama Canal and also the Suez Canal. I thought it is visible to you. See here, first about Suez Canal I am going to explain. This is Suez Canal. Okay, means it is connecting from Asia to Europe. Means take an example, India. In Asian continent, India is here. So Mumbai is one of the very important port in India. Okay, so previous of that Suez Canal, means we are moving like this, means moving around the Africa, then we can reach the Europe. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸುಯೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಮುಂಬೈಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಟ್ರೆ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾನ ಸುತ್ತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಯುರೋಪ್ನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಮೋರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೇಟರ್ ದೇ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸುಯೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಯೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ Africa and also middle part of that European continent, Asia and also Africa. They built that Suez Canal. So it make that waterway as easier. Means ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ from the Mumbai we can easy to reach the Europe by using that Suez Canal. Okay. So next one is Panama Canal, as I told earlier. That is also another one of the water, means artificial waterways, Panama Canal. Take an example, if we want to reach Europe to Australia. Okay, Europe to Australia means this is Europe, no? So previous of that Panama Canal was built, how we are moving means around that South America we are moving. Okay, from Europe next around the South Americana ಸುತ್ತಾಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೇಲಿಯಾನ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ Panama Canal was built, it make very easy to reach from European countries to Australia. Okay, like this, means Panama Canal is connecting between the Europe and Australia. Suez Canal means Asian continent to European continent, or that what it is links between Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Panama Canal is links with the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. So refer this map again once. Okay, yes. So this is about the canal, means it was built to make that waterway as easier, and also the first it helps to what reduce the consumption of fuels. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, yes. Next so this is about other countries or a continent. In our country also we are having many different ports, because India is surrounded by three sides of water, alva. So waterway is one of the very important, very major transportation method in our country. Many different ports are here. Ports are we are having in our country, like that Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, then Marmogova, Visakhapatnam, Cochin. These all ports are very famous in our country. Okay, how we are using that sea or a ocean to transport from one place to another place, like many different major rivers also using as a waterways. So what are the rivers using in our country like waterways, means Brahmaputra and Ganga river, because that is one of the major river and also large river. Okay, so it is also using for the purpose of waterways. Next one is airways. Next one is airway. This is one of the fastest transportation system, but very expensive comparing to other three. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅದರ್ ತ್ರೀಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಏರ್ವೇ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿನೂ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ we are using helicopters, aeroplanes, many other different in this airways. So this is also connecting within our country, within the country, and also it helps to links between country to country, means one country to another country. Okay, it is also helps to carry a goods and also the people, but comparing to other transportation system, it is carrying less number of people and also less amount of goods from one place to another place. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಫಾಸ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮಚ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಥ್ರೂ ದ airways. And also when that first aeroplane was built, means that is built by the Wright brothers, and also that is called as flyer first. Okay, they have given picture of that flyer first, means that is built by the Wright brothers. Okay, so previously the peoples are not using this airways more, but nowadays it is common modes of transport. Many peoples are regularly using this airways. Okay, means it is connecting from inside the country and also country to country. So it is one of the very fastest and major transportation system in our country. Okay, in that air transportation, one famous national air carrier they have given here, that is Air India. That is one of the national carrier of our country. So it is connecting, means it is connecting, having means providing services inside of our country and also outside the country, means from India to many other different countries it is providing services. Okay, so this is about the airways, and we are facing many different problems by using this roadways. Okay, by using the roadways, means this is one of the major transportation system, roadways. Okay, comparing to railway, waterway and also the airways, many peoples are using this, means using the roadways. So this is one of the common problem we are facing on that roadways, that is pollution and also the traffic. Okay, pollution and also the traffic is one of the common problem we are facing in the roadways. Why it is happening? Okay, why this traffic problems are arising, means we are using much number of vehicles on the roadways. Means we are not traveling by the public transport. Okay, if that take an example, in our family. Okay, there is 4 or 5 members, means that in that 5 members 3 are want to go for a same place, but they are moving in a different time. Okay, means they are moving with their private vehicles. Okay, from a same family member to reach same place, but they are using different vehicles. What is this meaning? Means it is arising the problems. It is arising, one is traffic problems and also the it is increasing pollution. Okay, means we can travel by the public transport, no alva, ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಅದರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, means use that public transport. And also another one thing, means build that underground railways and also the metro. Okay, in our town, in our cities we can't see that, but in the part of major cities, okay, very important cities, we can see that underground railways and also metro, means it also can reduce the traffic problem as well as that pollution problem. Okay, pollution also. So next, means what we are using as a fuel, petrol. Commonly petrol and diesel alva fuel agi use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ to the vehicles. Instead of that petrol and diesel, we can use that CNG. CNG means nothing, that is one of the compressed natural gas, that means CNG. Okay, means comparing to petrol and diesel, amount of pollution is less in this. Okay, less in this gas means by using the CNG we can avoid the pollution problem. So by using these all different methods we can try to avoid the problems arising in the roadways, and also try to build many different alternative ways to reach a same place alva. ಅದರಿಂದನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ವೇಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ವೇಸ್. So it can reduce the traffic problem. So these all are the methods to solve this traffic problems. Okay, we have to follow these all methods. So this is about the transport lesson. This lesson was completed. Read this lesson once, okay, especially that about that canals. Try to read and learn about that many different canal means connecting from one continent to another continent or one country to another country, like that. So read this lesson. Okay, thank you.